Here's the latest news for Red Deer in central Alberta. Alberta Health Services is warning people about multiple potential measles exposures in Red Deer. Alberta Health Services says exposure sites and times include the Red Deer Regional Hospital Emergency Department on April 3rd between midnight and 1:40 p.m., the Hospital Center Surge Unit between 11:35 a.m. on April 3rd and 1:30 p.m. on April 5th, and Hospital Diagnostic Imaging on April 4th between 2:55 p.m. and 5:45 p.m. AHS says anyone who does not have 2 doses of the measles vaccine and was at any of those locations during those specific times could be at risk for measles. People are encouraged to watch for symptoms and call HealthLink at 811 before visiting any healthcare facility. The City of Red Deer is looking for people to provide feedback on policing in the community. The city is recruiting members of its new municipal policing committee. The goal is to help guide local policing principals, ensure public concerns are heard, and build connections between police and the community. The committee will be made up of 7 people, 2 city councilors and 5 people from the community. Anyone looking to join must be at least 18 years old. They cannot be employed by any police or justice-related agency, and they must be able to attend monthly meetings.
Ideally, if someone has certain skill sets, such as if they're legally trained or they have other professional designations that, could, help the committee, that was something that we would be very interested in. But really just someone that is committed to the community, that wants to see the community do well and has an interest in making sure that it's safe for all.
Applications are open online until April 25th. The plan is to have the committee up and running by the end of the summer. A Central Alberta curling club got creative when it found out it wouldn't be able to hold its annual tournament. After the mechanical ice plant system went down at the Lamont Curling Club, players decided to throw themselves and kegs instead. The Last Chance Bonspiel is normally their biggest fundraiser of the year to keep doors open for the following season, so a total cancellation was not an option. Instead, 48 teams from around Alberta slid metal beer kegs down the ice towards a target. The club says while it may have been a last-minute pivot, it might become a new tradition. In honor of Parkinson's Awareness Month and World Parkinson's Awareness Day, the Alberta Parkinson's Association is offering educational opportunities throughout the month of April. According to the Parkinson's Association of Alberta, more than 110,000 Canadians have Parkinson's. The organization has support groups in Red Deer, Olds, and Lacombe, as well as physical programs like boxing and circuits.
We also have other activities and events, socials in every community. It's very easy to hide when you have Parkinson's disease. One of the most important things you can do is get out and meet people and keep social and keep active.
For more information, you can go to parkinsons.ca, and donations are always welcome. And just a reminder, if you would like to watch any of these stories again, you can catch them on our YouTube channel. Just search CTV News Red Deer.
Taking a look at your forecast for the weekend, a little bit chilly to start in the morning, anywhere from about -6 in Rocky to about -3 in Stettler. As we start off, it'll be mostly cloudy, and as we get into the afternoon, there's a chance that we could see some scattered showers. About a 60% chance. With that, the wind will pick up as well. So feeling a little bit on the wet and gray side for Saturday, but things do improve for Sunday. And as we get into next week, temperatures climb back up into the teens. Here's a closer look at your Red Deer forecast.